Hi, I'm Jonna, and I am here to talk to you today about Epicuren Discovery's limited edition hydration duo. So what's included, how does it work, and how much can you save? In the hydration duo is the Moisture Surge and a 1.7 ounce Pro Collagen Plus Serum Amplifier. These two products combined are so effective. So let me tell you about them. So let's start with Moisture Surge. Moisture Surge is an oil-free hyaluronic acid gel. You'll apply this after cleansing and toning. It works to bind moisture to the skin and really is a hydration booster. So you can pair this with any serum, or moisturizer even, to enhance that second product that you're applying on top of it. So paired with the Pro Collagen, this is going to be an awesome combo for you. Since Moisture Surge is a booster of hydration, it essentially boosts the effectiveness of the second serum that you apply or moisturizer and allows you to use less of that second product. So it basically extends the life of any product. This is an awesome item alone to have, but paired with the Pro Collagen, it's even better. So now the Pro Collagen Plus Serum Amplifier. You can combine it with the Moisture Surge in your hands and do one easy application, or you would use the Pro Collagen after the Moisture Surge is applied. Pro Collagen uses peptides to increase your skin's own collagen production. It also speeds up your skin's metabolism, plumps, and tightens the skin. If you were to purchase both of these products, they retail for $154.50. But this limited edition hydration duo is $92.70. That's a savings of 40% off, or $61.80. You can save $61.80. That's like unbelievable. The hydration duo with Moisture Surge and Pro Collagen is extremely effective and has a price point that can't be beat. I hope you take advantage of this special offer while supplies last. I know I'm going to, so I'm actually gonna go place my order. And thanks for watching. I'll see you around.